bum ba bum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Micah. Happy birthday to you.
He has no idea what's going on.
He doesn't know about blowing.
Oh, he'll
You
know.
blow.
Come on, talk to it.
Micah,
Micah, like this. Good, yeah, blow.
Hey.
All right, just go put it out with
It's
your
okay, Pump.
yeah, put it out with your fingers, Micah.
Bad idea.
blow.
Luke's helping. Go help. Go blow. Go blow. Go blow.
Come here, Luke. Come help. Come help.
Help him.
Come help him,
Show
Luke.
him
One help.
Yeah, Link. There you go.
Yay!
Right.
Micah's cool.
Good job.
Why is everybody looking at me?
Everybody's
Okay,
gone
you can
crazy.
eat it
I gotta
now,
go.
Micah. Aww. Shall we put him up in his chair?
Ha, la, 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 la. You got a mustache, Zor.
Yay!
Evan says, oh yes, send them on.
What?
I don't know if I would be that excited about taking 3 boys pitching fit. But he says, oh yes, send them on.
Say bye-bye, Micah.
I'm going home.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Them longer in the oven. They might be better in the
Nom, 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 nom.
I probably cook them longer in the oven.
Coming to now, huh?
Downstairs the door in the morning. Right before they open up. You're probably
Look at these. These are yours. Can you get stuff out of them?
Hey! What's in your mouth?
You need a hand?
Big brother play.
Oh no!
What'd you find?
Look over here. There, yeah.
Micah.
Say, I am my daddy's son. What's this?
Micah.
Really? You think so?
Oh, man.
Here, bud.
Just face.
Micah, look.
Make you open presents? I don't want that one sticking out.
Micah.
Maybe we should just open his presents and let him play Nintendo.
Oh, they're cool.
Oh, the crayons.
They're crayons for kids. Micah.
First marks.
Look over there.
Micah, look. Look, you got markers. Markersors. Come look at them. They're so cool.
You can play with them.
I want to see the clothes.
You want the TV back on?
Here it comes.
Maybe now he's got
He wanted the clothes.
He wants the plastic.
Look at the bananas.
Oh, he wants the little Toodles.
Grandma made the picture when he draws one.
Okay.
You got any paper, Val?
Uh-huh.
Maybe one of the girls could go get something he could color on.
Oh, look. Crayonzors.
He likes them.
No, they're, to-doodles.
Michael says Zors at the end of things.
Yes.
The doodles.
Oh. Thank you.
Where's the last one?
We made may have to give you some lessons.
Oh.
So far they seem to be... Oh, you did it! You stacked them! Good job!
This one color.
They're stacking toys. Yes, one color just